Hello, it's Fat Man Inc. again, and we're showing you the new Fat Inc. place to show you around and stuff. First, I'm going to show you our technology. There's old, there's new. Hell, there's probably even, well, there's no modern, so let's just look around. This is an old Game Boy. I have some games. I have Stuart Little. That's that way. I have can't think you can read that. I can't get it out though. We have The Legend of Zelda. It's an old game. We have one of my personal favorites, Super Mario Bros. 3. Here's another one. I don't play it much, but it's a good one. Here's an older Game Boy that you can't. There's no color. It's a pocket one. See that? Now, we've already shown you our set of games. If you haven't seen that episode yet, you should. It's a good episode. We also have some more games, like our Halo 3 Special Edition.
Continuing on that.
See? Special Edition. We have like Warcraft. I know that's a lot of nerd favorite, but not my favorite. I just craft pieces. Yeah, StarCraft. That's my favorite right there. We have an old Xbox hard drive that went to my old Xbox, and it literally eat games. I could eat them for dinner or lunch. Not very wise to put that game in there. We have Diablo. I know.
How long it takes to access the internet on this iBook?
Oh. Well, I got books, Harry Potter, Goonies. I got screwdrivers. iPod that doesn't even work anymore. It's not really an iPod, it's a...
Oh, I got it somewhere.
Here is our second Fat Man Inc. dude. This old iBook.
Wasn't that your 3500?
Yeah, I think it is.
Super 5, right? Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was. Got some Warcraft trading cards.
Okay, that's my secret one.
So what would you like to show them?
Jump. Oh, I got. You probably already showed them this. Press this drive. This is what we call a military Kiwanis case.
This is what we call a disc holder.
From what, Ford Radio Century? Was an error joining. Oh, people cannot have airport on when you're trying to get to the internet.
Okay, so after that's over, it is very hot tonight. It's over 80, I think. Some dictionary in his pocket. Doesn't matter though. Gwen is still trying to do something. What are you trying to do there? He's trying to connect with the internet. This is not our usual place to make videos. Huh? I had a good time seeing the new Batman ad, or whatever we gotta call it.
Can't use it. None of the carpet slipper anymore.
Yep.
Jesus Christ, okay, one more shut off the iBook. Whatever the fuck.
Well, it's old technology, right? Huh?
Oh, this was. He gave me 2 minutes to shut this down.
Well, this was another episode of Fatman Inc. This is a new video with a new portable device. It's a camera, but it's better than what we had. So, that's all for today. Good night or good day.